Welcome back, dear students. So in our today's video we will see about rotational symmetry. So children, what is a rotation? We know its meaning. It's just nothing but the turning. So rotation is movement or turning of an object about a point through a given number of degrees in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Like if you see here, we have two kinds of directions, that is clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you see the hands of your clock, that is a wall clock or any clock, you can see that it's rotating in a clockwise direction. But if it go in reverse of this rotation, you say it is a anti-clockwise. So clockwise rotation and anti is its opposite. So we have a lot of example, like your fan. You can see your fan is also rotating. Your wheel of a bicycle will also rotate in clockwise, also in anti-clockwise direction. So for example, if I have this pencil, I am gonna rotate it through the 90-degree clockwise. So it will go here. Again 90-degree means it will reach here. Then again I'll rotate here, 180-degree. Then again, complete rotation gives a 360-degree angle. So children, for example, what is the center of rotation? So when an object rotates, its shape and size do not change. The rotation turns an object about a fixed point. That fixed point we call it the center of rotation. Like for example, here you see the initial position is of this hands clock coincide at once only. And then you are rotating it through the 90-degree. So this clock, hands of the clock here coincide, but here if you see it's at 3 o'clock means quarter, that is it 90-degree. Again you have taken half turn means 180-degree. Then 3/4 turn of a circle, that is 270-degree. Again it reaches to the original coincide again, that means a full rotation is of 360-degree. So here by which angle you are rotating that object, it is the angle of rotation. And always a full turn means a complete rotation is 360-degree and half is 180-degree, 3/4 is 270-degree and quarter is 90-degree. Any object in the nature have a rotational symmetry exactly 1, because any object if you rotate, it is gonna get back its original position at least once. So all objects in the nature having rotational symmetry, but that is only one time get its original position. Like for example, describing rotations, center of rotation we have, like for example here, the object you are moving through the turning through that fixed point, that point is known as a center of rotation, and by which angle you are rotating it, it is known as angle of rotation. And the direction which you are rotating, clockwise or anti-clockwise, will define the direction of rotation. So here if you see, this is a triangle A and you are rotating it through a 180-degree. So this image is just showing you the rotation. Friends, what you are going to see here, this is suppose initial position of a one fan is there. You can say windmill like this, and these are having point A, B, C, D. Now you are rotating. So it's just its points go change. Here A, B, C, D. So A will come here, B here, C, D here, 90-degree. Again you rotate, the points go change. Again you rotate by 90, again. But in the fourth rotation, if you see, the original positions you will get initial position and the original you will get a full rotation. Means in a 4 position, that is 90-degree, 180-degree, 270-degree and 360-degree. After 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 turn, that means you can say 4 is the order of rotational symmetry. The windmill look like a same as this one. So figure is said to have a rotational symmetry if it fit into itself more than once. This is very important. We want a more than once. Any object rotate and it's get its original position at least once in a full rotation, but we want more than once. So how many time it's gonna fix in that original position, we call it the order of that rotation. So rotational symmetry is what a figure is said to have rotational symmetry if it into itself more than once in a full turn. The number of times the figure fits into itself by rotation is 360 degree. That is called as the order of rotational. Like here, this image get back its original image after 1, 2, 3, 4th turn. That means order 4 after 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree rotation. So children, look at here this example. This is the initial position of the figure. When you turn it through 90 degree, it will go straight like this. And again 180 degree, so it reaches its original position. See here, initial and this again at 180 degree only he got its original position. So you can see here the figure fit into itself after rotation of 180 degree. Means twice. Again 180, then 270, again 360. Means in a full rotation it got 2 times its original position. So here order is 2. Order is 2. Order means the number of time the figure fits into the original shape. Like you see here, this example is there. So the given figure fits 4 times, like you can see. If you rotate this image again here 90 degree, again 90, again 90, again 90 degree. Every time the figure is looking like the same original figure. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4 times it's at a different angle rotation. The figure look similar to the original. That means it having the order 4 of rotational symmetry. And if you see here, this is the original shape. If you rotate it by 90 degree, it will look like this. Again 90 degree, it comes back to original. Again 190 degree, and then next. Means original figure looks here 1 and this 1. That is, when you rotate it through 60 degree, you will get back original shape here. This is the original shape and this is the original shape. This is not the original shape. Means only one time. Only one time. Look here, this is the original shape. And it reaches back to the original shape after 360 degree full turn. That means order is 1. Order of rotational symmetry is 1. Order defines how many times the figure look like the original for the center of rotation. So children, some figures having both rotational as well as reflection symmetry. So if you see the square, in a square all 4 sides are equal, diagonals are also equal. So here square ABCD is there. If you rotate it through its center, that is a O, through 90 degree if you rotate, it look like a square. Again 90 degree square, again 90 degree square, and the full turn also it look like a square. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it look like the original square. That means 4 is the order of symmetry. And here if you see these are what? Through the midpoints, if you cut this figure, it's look like a symmetry, line symmetry. So it's having a 4 line symmetry also. 2 its diagonals and the 2 are the vertical and horizontal line. So square having rotational symmetry as well as reflection symmetry. And if you see rectangle, here ABCD is a rectangle. In a rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and equal. So this figure ABCD fix exactly each time onto itself when you rotate through a center. If 180 degree I am rotating it, again rectangle, again rectangle. So 2 times it's look like a original. So it's having 2 as a line symmetry as well as 2 as the order of rotational symmetry. Then we have equilateral triangle also. So in an equilateral triangle we have 3 sides equal, and if you rotate it through the angle 120 degree, then 240 degree, then 360 degree, it looks like the original triangle. Means 1, 2, 3 times it's having the same order rotational symmetry, and it's having 3 line of symmetry, this one, this and this. So reflection symmetry, that is line symmetry, as well as rotational symmetry it follows. And if you see this isosceles triangle, it having only line symmetry. If you pass it from here median, it will look like it's cover each other through this line, but it does not have rotational symmetry. And here only two sides are equal length. If you see a semicircle, this is a semicircle and this is a circle. So we can see that again, if you see this circle having an infinite rotational symmetry, if you rotate it at any order, it having an infinite rotational symmetry. And this is a kite, children. Always remember, it is very hard to get how to get this rotation. So simple, you can draw this image and you can move your book like this and you can get the idea. Like this is, you are rotating this image, again rotating, and this after the full turn 360 degree only it gets its original shape of the kite. Means it's having just order 1. So if you see here, equilateral triangle having 3 equal sides, so its order of rotation is 3. Square, 4 sides, order of rotation is also 4. Pentagon, 5 sides, and the 5 is order of rotational symmetry. So hexagon, 6 sides are there, so 6 will be the order of rotational symmetry. From this description we conclude that regular polygon means which having same equal length of sides, they have the same order of rotational symmetry as the number of equal sides.